In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a caption to an image in Notion so you can provide context or descriptions for your visuals. Let's get started. Open the Notion page that contains the image you want to edit or insert a new image by typing image and uploading your file. Hover over the image and click to select it. If captions are enabled, you'll see a Add Caption or Caption field below the image. Click the Caption field and type your text. You can use it to describe the image, add notes, credit the source, or provide additional context. Your caption is saved automatically as you type, so there's no need to click a Save button. You can edit or remove it at any time by clicking the caption again. Using captions makes your Notion pages clearer and more organized, especially when you're working with lots of images or sharing pages with others. That's how to add a caption to an image in Notion. Thanks for watching.